have over 52 taxes and levies that we are paying as an industry, and we feel that that is just a bit too much for an industry like ours. An industry like it is looking at really progressing and really becoming a key industry in Kenya. We believe that there must be a way in which the government can look at us and give us a bit of rebates on some of these taxes.
We as an industry are getting a lot of new taxes, new fees that are making operations frankly very expensive, and it's making quite difficult to continue to expand and to grow and to employ in Kenya.
And the one that we're specifically wanting to lobby for is the UCR fee that's been imposed specifically on the smaller farms. It's unfair. This is just one of the myriad of other small taxes that we're subject to. And the second challenge that we have is to manage false codling moth, which is a quarantined pest in the EU, which is, as I said earlier, one of our largest markets.